Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys new. I have been trying to film for the past couple of hours and there were so many distractions happening. You will be hearing like neighbors, dogs barking like right now, and a random stray cat just meow in my backyard. I had fed him, I played with him, and he just, I don't know what he wants. Anyways, I filmed using these two palettes from KKW, her original beauty line. I am revisiting my old eyeshadow palettes, and going forward I think I will be using a new to me, but old to the makeup world. I'll be playing with each one of them every single day going forward. I'll try to wake up really early to be filming. Think that we're getting more, I guess, daylight, sunlight. We're losing an hour of sleep tomorrow, but we'll have longer days. Hopefully that will help, but because, we're in the, we're towards the end of winter now. I am in California, so of course it's always sunny here. It's been raining a lot, which I am surprised by. I'm a original New Yorker. I probably brought in the rain to California, who the hell knows. But anyway, so the point of this video was I was going to showcase how I perceive this eye makeup look using these palettes. I do have footages of it. I am going to somehow, edit that in. But anyways, I just want to explain briefly how I created my eye makeup look. It's just really simple. I just only used maybe like 4 eyeshadows from these two palettes. This is her original KKW eyeshadow palette. I only used one shade from this palette, which is this transition color called Miami. And if you guys have this eyeshadow palette, and I'm sure most of you guys who love eyeshadow palettes have this in your collection, take this out. Revisit this palette, please, because it is superb. Whatever that Kim Kardashian is releasing right now, her new makeup line with her 10,000 nude lip shades, I am not interested at all. I don't want to be paying $50 for a neutral palette with just, 1 or 2 difference in tones of a brown shade, if that makes sense. This, you can get so many different variations with it, and you get pop of colors even. And this was worth spending. Well, I paid only about like a little over $25 for this because she was, closing down her makeup line, and I took an opportunity to purchase another one of this because I gave the first one away to my younger sister. Anyway, so I used this transition color called Miami all over my crease and a little bit over my crease, and I worked that shade all over that crease. And then I decided to use this palette. This is the second release. This is the Artisan Muse palette, and she included the names underneath each of these shades, and it's so much easier to showcase for, makeup gurus out there. I don't want to call myself a makeup guru or influencer. I'm just a person, a girl who loves sharing makeup on YouTube. Anyway, so for my lid shade and my inner crease, I went in with a Beauty Campaign, a perfect champagne-y color. This is like so perfect. If you guys like that for effortless kind of like a pop of champagne shade, this is perfect. And then for my, to tie in the whole look together for my lower lash line, I went in with I'm Inspired, and I was definitely inspired to reuse these palettes today because I just didn't like the new makeup line that Kim Kardashian was coming out with. Yeah, and then for my brow bone, I went in with So Many Paparazzi on my brow bones, just a tad bit, and then I finished it off with a topper eyeshadow from McGrath. This is the only a face and eye makeup palette that I had purchased at the end of 2023, and I have no regrets so far. I haven't used all of the other colors, but I really like it so far. This is a Starstruck Splendor, her holiday release for 2023, And I'm also very disappointed with Pat McGrath. You know, she's not given. So this is the shade. This is called, I believe, Opulence Moonstone. That's the only shade that I have used for, I guess, my topper. And yeah, so that's the 3 eyeshadow palettes that I had used to create my eye makeup look. Really, really simple. And then I finished it off with a mascara. And for my lipstick, I've used this shade called Merit in Classic. This is their new lipstick line release. And every time Merit reaches out to me, I get really excited because I love their beauty line. And if I do run out of certain items from them, I will be willing to purchase with my own money. I'm not saying that because I'm getting free stuff from them, but genuinely, I think their products are amazing. I had the lipstick on for maybe like 15 minutes now, and it is super comfortable. Like, I feel like I have nothing on my lip. And usually lipsticks are, well, I usually get really chapped lips, and this is like creating that nice kind of healthy, I don't know, I can't describe it. This feels amazing on the lips so far. So I've been trying to declutter here and there, and I came across these contact lenses, so that's why I have on gray contacts right now. I am not into wearing contact lenses anymore. Right now I have these on for maybe an hour or so, and it's starting to feel uncomfortable. I don't know how people wear contact lenses, you know, but it's just very drying. I guess colored contacts are more drying on the eyes, but I just feel like it's just really, really uncomfortable. I cannot wait to take it off. But anyways, besides that, I really, really love the old makeup line from KKW Beauty. I don't know what's her new makeup line is called now, but I appreciated all of her face palettes and whatnot that she had released. So going forward with my channel, I am just going to be showcasing all of the old palettes that I have in my collection, instead of showcasing what's new, what's hot, what's the latest trend, you know, with like the lip oils and whatnot. I don't have interest in that anymore. I'm really, really content with everything that I have in my collection. I want my channel to be more like Lara Likes Mascara, or even like Hannah Louise Poston, or Malama Life, or I think Diana Chu by Slow Gaze, I believe. And then there's another one, Shauna, I think that's her name. These ladies are incredible with how they're living their lives authentically. So everyone have a fantasy self, and creating this beauty channel was definitely creating a fantasy self. To just keeping things short, I don't want to feed my fantasy self anymore. I want to be content with all of the stuff that I have currently. So I know that a lot of people focus on like penning their products and whatnot, and I kind of try that too, but I can get bored easily. And I have a lot of makeup to go through. I know that I will probably never finish any of my makeup before the end of my life. I'm like near 40s now. I am pretty happy and content with everything that I have. I still have a lot of makeup products to list the ones that I'm getting rid of. If you guys are interested in seeing that, please let me know, I guess. But otherwise, I am happy with everything that I have in my collection, and I want to keep a curation of things that I absolutely love. And maybe a year from now, if I feel like, oh, I never touched that, I don't think I need that in my collection, I am willing to let it go instead of just hoping that I will use it, if that makes sense. But in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.